feel like going to the car and get my mask.
That's
And
cool. So you did get to see it.
it finally, about 10:30, right, my knees were killing me. Steve.
No, is it here